guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm doing a home tour of our sweet little home. We've been here a little over a year now, and we have worked very hard to make it our own. I wanted to go ahead and do this video before we got too far into the holiday season because we'll definitely be doing some decorating, and I want to do holiday decor videos, so I wanted to do this before our house was, fully decorated for the holidays. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and flip you guys around, and we're going to start in the laundry room. So here we go. Alright you guys, I'm not going to talk through the whole tour, but I will chime in every now and again just to share some things with you guys. Like Peter did this backsplash. That's one of the first things we did after we moved in. And y'all are going to notice a trend of mid-century to mid-century modern style throughout our home. Peter and I both love antiquing, and we love that older style, the mid-century style furniture. So if y'all have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and y'all enjoy the tour. To share with you guys too that I'm not sure exactly when yet, but sometime over the next year we plan on updating and remodeling our kitchen. So make sure, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so that way you'll be one of the first ones to see whenever we update our kitchen. So all of these pictures on Reese's wall are actually from a calendar, where we took the pictures out of the calendar and matted them and framed them. It's the same concept that we did in the living room, and if you're curious how we did that, you can just look up our DIY framed calendar prints, and I'll put the link in the description below. going with the Alice in Wonderland theme, my sister-in-law made this mobile for Reese, and it's handmade. Isn't it amazing? And one of these days we're going to build a playhouse for the girls to put out back here, so we'll make sure we'll show y'all whenever we do that.